Good morning. I wanted to share a little tip on what helps me to stay on track and what helps me to reach my goals. If you all know that one poem that says, wear sunscreen, by Mary Schmich, I think it was a poem. It was turned into a song. It's one of my favorite poems. In there it says, remember compliments you receive, forget the insults. I don't agree with that, although I love the poem. I do keep all the insults, all the rejections, everything that has turned me down in my life. I keep a memory of that. Call me crazy. When you go into my office, you see shelves of awards that display all the awards I've won, all the prizes I've won. And while that is important for the public eye and for my clients to see that I'm capable of doing the job, for me personally, awards mean absolutely nothing. What really motivates me are all the rejections, all the people that insulted me. I keep all of that in a folder, and I look at that if I need some extra motivation, because there were some people in my life that really believed in me, and I thank them forever. I had amazing mentors in my life that saw something in me that I didn't see in myself, and that were so kind to me when I was a nobody and when I wasn't even in real estate. They always said, I'm a great salesperson. I know how to sell a dead bush for $1 million. That's what one of my mentors said to me. But who was also very important on their journey, and let's give them a lot of thanks, are the people that didn't believe in me and the people that questioned me and people that rejected me. They were just as important, and I'm so eternally grateful for them. And I have a whole folder of stories that I wrote up about them, and memories and emails and text messages. And I just enjoy reading them and knowing that I proved most of those people wrong. I had a long time ago a math teacher in high school. She was very mean to me, and she told me to my face that I will never amount to anything in my life. And I had in my hometown a magazine come out like years ago where I was on the cover. And I was like, okay, I hope she sees this magazine because sometimes, you can be wrong in people, and she clearly was wrong. And she really motivated me. I think of her very often. God bless her heart. I think of her very often. I hope she's well. I wish her only the best. And she was very mean to me. She did not motivate me. And especially as a teacher, you have so much power over people. You have power over helping people see their true potential and shaping their life. And she failed at her job, but it still worked. I mean, sometimes people need tough love. I'm a person that needs tough love. I don't know about you, but it really helped me to achieve things in life. I don't want to say she's the reason I am where I am today, but she still motivates me to this day, because she was so mean and so unmotivating, and she was so hard on me, and she really brought something out of me that I didn't know I had. So be grateful for the people that don't believe in you, for people that reject you, and keep those things in a folder. It really helped me to motivate me on a daily basis. All right. Well, you make it a beautiful day.